Hello friends, today I am making a bread sandwich and I will show you how I do it. Here are all the ingredients I have laid out. Boiled beetroot, sliced cucumber, sliced carrot and boiled and sliced potato, sliced tomato, sliced onion and coriander leaves, butter and cheese. I will also add a pinch of salt, some kashmiri chilli powder and red chilli sauce, green chilli sauce and tomato ketchup. Now turn the gas on and place the tawa on the stove. This time take all the ingredients I showed you and stack them one on top of the other like this. All the vegetables and little salt, little sauces also and tomato ketchup. Then put cheese and coriander leaves, little salt and carrot, potato, then at last put the stack on the tawa. Okay, the tawa should not be too hot, my dear friends. It is medium is enough. Okay, medium heat is enough. Then keep it on the tawa for a little while only. Okay, after a short time remove it from the heat. Okay, then sandwich is ready now. See, then if you liked my recipe, don't forget to like, comment and share. Please subscribe to my channel also. Okay, see here my sandwich is ready. Thank you.